How to download apps in iPhone without side button. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Go to the Use Face ID for section and turn off the iTunes and App Store switch. After that, go back and open up the App Store application. Go to the bottom panel and tap on the Games icon. You can now view all the available games over here. Scroll down to find the game you want to download and then tap on Get beside it. Then, tap on Install. Here, type in your Apple account email ID and password. And then, tap on Confirm to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily download apps in iPhone without side button.